I'm Eileen, and I have an excellent experiment to do. Okay, anyways. So these are 4 raw eggs in a cupcake pan, and I'm going to bake them for 30 minutes. You can see it's at 325 degrees. And it's supposed to be from 25 to 30 minutes, so I have it set for 27. I'm going to put them in the oven. Hopefully I don't break them. Start the timer. See you later. Okay, we're back. And I'm baking eggs. Not baking eggs, baking eggs. Let's see. We have 1 minute. Close enough. Shut that off. Okay. I'm going to take the eggs out of the oven. Oh, they stink. Now right over to the sink. Here, immerse them in ice water. Just gonna let it. Now to see if they peel easier. Well, they seem to peel the same. Well, there. Oh, they said they might have some marks on it, on the yolk or the. Oh, see, they peel the same exact stupid way that they did. Well, I want to slice it then and see. They said that the texture could be a little different. But where the metal hits the shell, you could have some brown. It's not going to hurt you. Okay, they look beautiful. But like he said, we're going to try to peel another one. But if you need to hard boil dozens of eggs, it is much easier in the oven than boiling them in the hot water, steam in the pot. You just stick them in the oven. The fresher the egg, the harder they are to peel, so maybe these are fresh. They do seem, I mean, I would do it. I would do it this way from now on. I don't know. Yes. Egg salad it is. So, signing off. Now this is my third experiment. Not that we're keeping track, but anybody have any other ideas that they would like me to try out? I would be more than happy to do it. You can email me at eileenover1956@hotmail.com. And till next time, have an excellent day. Okay, goodbye.